What is going on, Flight Squad? Today, we're putting a serious contender through its paces, the 4DRC F3 drone. This quadrotor is designed for pilots who value endurance and precision, blending a reliable GPS system with impressive flight time and a 4K dual camera system. Let's see what makes the F3 shine. Extended endurance and range. The biggest feature you'll notice right away is the battery life. Packed with a high-capacity 7.4V 2000 mAh LiPo battery, the F3 delivers an incredible 23 to 25 minutes of flying time. That's nearly half an hour of continuous capture, giving you plenty of time to explore without constantly worrying about your battery meter. For control, you get a solid remote distance of 300 to 500 meters. And for live viewing, the 5G Wi-Fi FPV signal can reach up to 300 meters, ensuring you have clear, real-time image transfer back to your mobile phone. Stable flight with GPS precision. This drone is built for confident, steady flying. The GPS positioning mode is the core of its stability, providing crucial accuracy for hovering and advanced safety features. Thanks to the GPS, you get essential functions like one-click return to home, ensuring the F3 can easily find its way back if the signal is lost or the battery runs low. The altitude hold mode keeps the drone locked at a specific height, freeing up the pilot's hands to focus entirely on framing the perfect shot. Plus, its foldable arms mean it collapses down to a compact size, making it super easy to carry along on any adventure. Creative capture and automated flight. The F3 is a true creative partner, especially for aerial photographers. It features a 4K HD camera with a 120-degree wide angle, giving you stunning, high-resolution footage. Where the GPS really unleashes creativity is through the automated flight modes, all controlled via the app. Follow me, lock onto yourself or a subject, and the drone will automatically track their movement, keeping them perfectly in the frame. Waypoint flight. Simply draw a route on the screen, and the F3 will follow that path precisely, allowing you to focus purely on cinematic camera work. Orbital motion. Get that professional-looking circle shot by having the plane fly in a fixed circle around a point of interest. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures stable flight and easy control, and the ability to switch between 3 flight speed levels means both beginners and experienced pilots will find a comfortable speed. The 4DRC F3 is a fantastic option for anyone needing a stable, feature-rich drone that won't die on you after 10 minutes. The 25-minute flight time and GPS stability make it an excellent choice for beginner aerial photographers. What's more important to you in a drone, the flight time or the control range? Let me know in the comments below.